You ever feel like everything is just noise? Like everyone got an opinion about what's holy, what's right, what's real? Some folks say the Sabbath is this day, others say it's on that day. One person say the year starts here, another one may say no, it starts over there. Even for the holy days, man, just this year alone, I've seen at least 4 different dates people are observing the same feast day. And the crazy part is most of them are sincere. They're not trying to be wrong, but still it's chaos. And I'm sitting here thinking, how can all these people end up on different pages of the same book? I've been watching, reading, and listening, trying to understand everyone who say they love the Most High is all doing it differently. And yeah, I know the Most High gave us signs, the sun, the moon, the stars. Those are real. They were given to us for seasons and appointed times. I respect that. According to Genesis 1:14, let there be light in the firmament, and let them be for signs and for seasons and for days and years. But somewhere along the way, we started to follow man instead of watching the signs. And we started building off of doctrines, off of calendars, not off of clarity. And when I came across something that stood out to me in the book of Jubilees, chapter 6, 34 to 38, it straight up said there will come a time when the feast, the Sabbaths, and our set times will be forgotten. And all this is due to man. People will follow what they were taught and not even realize that they're off. And when I read that, I felt like now, this is exactly what I see today, what's going on. So I had to check myself. I said, you know what? I'm not going to just move because everyone else is moving. I'm not just going to rush to be right and end up wrong in the process. I'd rather be still than be out of order. And to be honest, that stillness, that waiting, it's not doing nothing. We think nothing means lazy or confused or disconnected, but that's not always the case. Sometimes doing nothing is the wisest move that you can make. Think about it. When you sleep, your body heals. When you rest, your mind recovers. When you're quiet, you can finally hear. Even Yahweh himself rested on the 7th day, not because he needed to, but because he set the standard. Exodus 20:11, for in 6 days Yahweh made the heavens and the earth, and rested the 7th day. Wherefore he blessed the Sabbath and made it holy. Lamentations 3:26. It is good that a man should both hope and quietly wait for the salvation of Yahweh. Isaiah 40:31. But they wait upon Yahweh shall renew their strength. So resting isn't weakness, waiting isn't failure, and doing nothing might be the most obedient thing you can do. So yeah, if you see me not celebrating yet, if I'm not keeping the same calendar as you, if I'm not keeping the same Sabbath as you, if I'm not following this new doctrine or this new feast date, it's not because I'm confused. It's not because I'm not listening. I want to do right with the Most High, not just right with people. I want clarity from the Most High, not just confirmation from the crowd. I'm not against keeping the holy days. I want to do it correctly. I want to do it deeply, but not at the cost of doing it wrong in his eyes, just to say I did it at the time in your eyes. So if you see me doing nothing, just know I'm still doing something. I'm waiting, I'm watching, and I'm letting the Most High speak instead of trying to speak for him. And that to me, that's faith. Shalom.